Hey guys, it's Rhonda. So for dinner today, I'm just doing like a salad. A little different. I do have purple cabbage, freshly cut pineapple. I have hummus. I have tomatoes. I have beets. I have at the bottom, I have spinach. I have quinoa and avocado. So just putting it all together. I had to cut this fresh pineapple. So this is going to be my dinner. I already had a big lunch and I'm probably not going to eat all of this anyways, just a little bit of it. But definitely have a lot of all of the required protein and fruits and vegetables that I need. Don't forget to go to my channel, Rad Event 1. Go to my vegan plant-based section. Comment and let me know if you would like to see recipes on how to make some of these amazing vegan dishes. Have a good evening, y'all.